conceptual perspective, things people talk about it as all of the elements.
Along with that, come out, deal with 12 years of Reconstruction, 30 years of black codes, 70 years of Jim Crow segregation, being locked out of the race for wealth through redlining, benign neglect, urban renewal, lynchings, mass incarceration, gentrification, and miseducation, and literally be right now in 2019 seeing a commonality of police brutality, so much going on. And it's ridiculous to think that you can experience that and not have issues, that you haven't encountered some form of trauma, whether it's PTSD or complex trauma. A lot of us are carrying the burdens of decades and even centuries of trauma. When we were freed or experienced our emancipation in 1865, there was no mass counseling. There was no mass response to help us deal with the trauma through psychiatric counseling and treatment. We just were put out into the world and then traumatized again, which is called Reinjury. And we've lived with it over and over. We've passed down this multi-generational transmission of trauma through dynamics such as social learning theory, epigenetics, re-injury, and so much more. And when we sit up and we see things that we love to go shaking my head, oh my God, I can't believe it, and all this, babies being killed by their parents, this phenomenon now of women getting with men who are harming and killing their children, and men killing their own seeds because of the only thing that you can sit up and say is a psychotic break. And when I say a psychotic break, I'm in no way saying that because it was a psychotic break,
From a conceptual perspective, things people talk about it as